Hey, what's up guys, this is Varun here, and in today's quick little video we're gonna learn how to shoot hyperlapse without using any tripod or gimbal. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. The shots that you saw at the beginning of this video were hyperlapses that I shot using just my phone, but after shooting 2 or 3 of these I thought I could make a tutorial on it, but we were far away from the location where we first shooted, so the location you're seeing in the tutorial is different, but the principle is same. First of all, just open up your camera and go to time-lapse mode. Here you have to turn on grids and you have to shoot in maximum resolution possible. In my case it's 1080p. And the main idea here is to keep some point of the object, preferably a higher point or a tip point, in this box or at this point throughout the shoot. And that's pretty much it. Once you have kept this object in one point, just move towards that object by keeping that point between the same grid lines or at the same point, and then after shooting the footage, just stabilize it in Premiere Pro, or if you have a mobile, I'll leave a link to the application which will stabilize your footage. And that's pretty much it. After some color grading and cinematic bars, you can get really good results. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends who want to shoot hyperlapse with their phone. And until next time, take care.